So I realized that I have not done an official introduction video of my babies yet. This is Noodle. She's my little tortie. Calico. Rescue. She's not good at being patient for her treats. Oh, oh. Come here, lady. Let's do this ways. Oh my goodness. Look, look, look. This does noodles. This is Noodle. Is that yum treats, little girl? Noodle is going to be 5 years old in a couple of days. She's quite the old lady. Definitely the older cat in the bunch. Okay, Noodle, that's done, I think, honey. I think, honey, listen. That is how much that fat ass likes these lick treats. I will let her have the plastic while I go get now this guy. This is our little kitten. Maine Coon mix. Cecil be demented. Named him after my favorite John Waters movie. He's not as much into the licky treats as Noodle is. Do you want some, Bubba? You want some? Oop. Good job. Good job. Good job. Yes, I got all over my hands. Let's do this. Let's do this. Yeah? What you think? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. He's a little, he doesn't quite know what to do with treats yet. One thing that they don't warn you about having a kitten is that you are going to have to teach them literally everything, right? I have had to teach Cecil how to lick the treat so that he can get it out of the tube. I've had to show him how to eat crunchy treats. Like, they just don't warn you about a lot of things you're going to have to help your kitten learn if you are going to be taking care of a kitten from, you know, right from when they are able to leave their mom. He's a little, I mean, he's a Maine Coon mix, so he doesn't really have that, you know, entirely that sweet, talkative personality, but he's getting there. He's getting there. He is only a year old. He'll be a year on May 1st. So, you know, hopefully he will get to the point where he can be a little more friendly, a little more talkative. Hey, what do you think? What do you think? Yeah? I'm gonna smell like fishes, aren't I? He makes the cutest little faces. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, precioso man. Yeah? Yeah? Do you know that you're on camera? Do you know? Do you know? Yeah? Yeah? Yeah. Yeah. He's pretty much not like to be snugged. He pretty much not like it. He pretty much not like it. He say, I gotta be free. You gotta let me live my life. Which is an okay way for a kitten that's barely a year old to be, but tell me you wouldn't just want to be burying your face in this fluff all day, every day, if you could. Truly. Truly. He knows. He knows. He got the hiccups. Oh, bye-byes. Oh, bye-byes. Okay. All right. You ready to go? Are you done? Yeah. And then he just immediately, and he won't allow me to have anything to do with him for a while. He definitely, I understand where the, male cats are autistic comes from, because he definitely goes through where he's like, I've had my fill with attempting to socialize with humans that I don't understand, who don't respect my boundaries or appreciate who I am as a person. He very much has that, like, I'm overstimulated on socializing. Please leave me alone. But having a kitten has truly been, a real fun blessing. I have not had a kitten as young as him before. In college, I got the cat that I had in college when she was 6 months old. So it was not, she was already, it's just not the same. The younger they are, the more different it is. Oh, Bubba's. He makes this little, like, grumbling noise that is barely audible, but it is the cutest thing I've ever freaking heard. Instead of doing his little chirping, he goes, grow, 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 like, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Cecil. Cecil. You want to look at that camera so they can see your pretty eyes? No? Okay. All right. Well, I figured that, if you don't know my cats yet, now you know my cats. You know Cecil. And for those of you who have not seen any of the other videos about Cecil and Noodle, I link them, every short that I post links the previous short in the description. So make sure that you are catching up on all the cuteness. On all the cuteness. He just looked at me like. Anyway, make sure that you like and subscribe, and always check the description for more fun videos about Cecil and Noodle.